tell the suckers because they're young growth, they're soft, they're supple, and they're going straight up, and they're not doing this. And then once you got rid of all of those, then you start looking to see what you got left. The same concept as all this stuff in here, but I don't know. You can look for these side branches. If you want it to come back, you'll leave it a little bit more because it's. This looks like it got cut or something here. I know it got cut there. So you've got that new one. That's not so bad coming out, and these are going to do that. But this stuff that's going straight up, you know, get in there close and get rid of them. Okay.
Now, is this just for light, or is this also for the tree to focus on the parts?
It's for aesthetics too. I mean, it will look a lot better, and that's why you want to come back here and look at it and go, okay, all right. And you see this spread. You know, you got a couple of uprights going in there. That's not so bad. That one in the middle, you might read it. You might, but then again, where's it coming from? It's coming from down here. It's coming from all the way down the bottom. So you might want to get rid of that. What I do a lot of times is when I go to a place, what is my client going to see when they come out their front door, and they're only going to walk on one side. Well, I make that side look real nice. It can depend on where it was. If they make a web.
Put a on the brake with your. No, you can go. Go.
Already in high?
Yep, go.
This way?
Yep. Great. You can show your mother tonight.
Try to get at a good range.
So I would prune it to here. We'll go all the way back here. And you see what I'm doing? Difficult. You push the branch towards the blade, and you get a nice clean cut.
You got that, and that's a little thick. This is a little thick to transition into that.
Yeah.
So then you consider that. Same thing, and then you're almost taking the whole thing off.
Because it's got such poor growth on it.
It doesn't have a whole lot, so you can climb up and down. You might consider cutting that with a saw. Like that. And then see that split where it's toward the bark? To alleviate that, you take off the weight.
Okay.
And then you get this on that angle. Yeah, you don't want to tear the bark. So
That's a good lesson.
now, especially